There's nothing I love more than getting an awesome letter from one of our customers, and I received one today in the mail. Might be a little weird reading a letter that's about me, but we'll give it a shot. So, May 15th, 2020, to whom it may concern. I have recently been involved in completing a new roof over the auditorium at the New Braunfels Church of Christ. Amy Feller with Feller Roofing did the work for us. I found Miss Feller to be a fine professional to work with on this project. She was patient and respectful of the decision-making process of an organization such as our congregation that has certain processes of decision-making necessary to follow. She was timely in her responses to our questions and very dependable in her arrival time when we needed to meet face-to-face at the campus. I spent some high school and college years doing roof work as part of my job for a construction company, and physically replaced several more roofs on my investment properties in the beginning period of owning rentals. Since those younger, stronger, and thinner days, multiple roof projects have been done for me or for my clients during a 45-year real estate career. The bottom line is, I feel comfortable in knowing what to look for in a roofer. It is my personal and professional opinion Miss Feller and her staff are as good as I have ever worked with. I have plans to use her on our own home for some minor roof repairs in the very near future. Please let me know if any further explanations are needed to explain my confidence in and endorsement of Miss Feller. My contact info is found below. And that's from Dr. Johnny Rosenhauer, who was awesome, fun, wonderful customer to work with. Thank you, Johnny. I just wanted to share this glowing endorsement. It was a wonderful testimonial, and nothing makes me happier than getting something like this in the mail. Call Feller Roofing if you need anything with your roof, big or small. We'd be happy to help.